Hello YouTubers, it's me again. If you remember 2 days ago I had set up my hydroponics flood and drain system. Today I've got my grow bags. They're 20-gallon grow bags, Vibration pot fabric containers. I'm sorry, they're 15-gallon. I thought I'd ordered 20, but they're approximately 20 inches diameter by 12 inches deep. I'm going to transplant some basil, this beefsteak tomato. I have a couple other beefsteak tomatoes I'm going to plant, as well as I got some seeds I'm going to plant. I'll let you in on that as we get there. I'm using a couple potting mixes, Stay Green potting mix and the Miracle Grow raised bed soil mix. So I'm gonna mix the two in that black container, add it into the grow bags. You can see this is an empty grow bag. It's got handles on each side, and I'm gonna fill it with the potting soil, do the transplants, and I'll show you the result of that. All right, thanks. Okay, I planted the 3 beefsteak tomatoes into this one grow bag, and you can see the handles make it very easily and convenient to move around to maximize the sunlight you have in the space available. Okay, we'll get back to you in just a sec. All right, here we are. I've filled up. Hey Bart, how you doing? I filled up 3 bags, 15-gallon grow bags. This one contains seeds of straight neck yellow summer squash. This one here contains seeds of field cucumbers. And again, these are my beefsteak tomatoes. So I'm gonna leave them here in the yard, right about where they are. You can see the distance to where the hydroponic table is set up there. Irrigation once a week at this current time due to water restrictions from the irrigation system. And we're supposed to get there's a storm coming in. It's very blustery today. Expecting some rains tonight, possibly some bad weather, but we'll see how it goes. I'll readjust tomorrow if the storm's too much or what have you. And I got some more to do, but I ran out of potting mix. Each of these bags will take approximately 2 cubic yards of potting mix or soil, okay? Just so you know, these are 15 gallons. Again, they're about 20 inches diameter, 12 inches deep. I think it's a good size for the roots to grow. These bags kind of automatically trim the roots, because when the roots reach the outside of the bags, it will kind of cut them off, if you will, to extend further growth in that direction. It works very well. Oxygen gets in through the fabric bag to the roots. So we'll see how this works. It's supposed to be better than raised beds, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and we'll update you in a couple days. Thanks. Peace out.